What up, vlog world? You don't know the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Punky. Yo! How are the them? Yo, you don't know so we in a place. We are forward on the work. Why me I talk so? I'm on my way to work now. Today's like January 10th. I'm on my way to work. I start back school. And it's so much going on, guys. Punky I got school and thing right now. Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Come on.
Come to start crying like bon.
Canable.
What? Nibble dirty. But nibble. Yeah, so we here, gang. We be chilling. I'm still against myself. Move.
My son, you're wicked, you know?
It is. Yeah. On our way to work, so this is what we're doing. Hope you guys have a productive day. I'm gonna be focused today. And my focus every day, Stephanie, don't play.
What you said today?
No, I'm just saying they don't know that. You gonna let me be go? Yeah. Stay focused today. Be in control of your energy. Don't let anybody take your power. You are in control. You don't know. No, me I go punky, I go listen later. Just know. So guys, there was a tsunami warning. There was a tsunami warning out for Jamaica. And Punky was like, how do they know that? I fish them, go tell them, like, it's so funny. Like, they have what they call them, radars in the sea. So when activity is gone, you record it, and that's how they know the magnitude of the earthquake and stuff like that. You understand? Tired. You know say when earthquakes happen, Stephanie, the plates of the earth shift. So as a coming tsunami would happen. So if one plate go down, it would rise the sea water level. You understand? Yes guys, so that's what's happening with tongue list. On January 10th, there was a 7.6, I think, magnitude earthquake in the Caribbean Sea. Hence, you know, earthquakes trigger tsunamis, especially in the Caribbean Sea, that Melica Allen are sitting. Anyways, later, I'm tired. I feel tired, so. So guys, it's dark now. I'm at Ocean's birthday party. Yeah! At Ocean's birthday party. Check her out. Everybody's here. Ocean's friends. Say hi, Skylife TV. Hi. Hi. Yeah, something. You guys are gonna see it on the internet. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We're having a good time. Ocean, I go on, madam. Ocean. Say hi, Skylife TV. Hi, Skylife TV.
Big up some people.
Big up.
Big up Skylife TV.
Ba.
Come on, come on.
We all have big up.
One of them was short to the party.
Tell them to subscribe. You don't know. Take off my glasses. You don't know. Yeah, we talk loud. Yeah, we talk loud. It's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are them? Watch Vicky, please. Are you husband? Guys, welcome back to my channel. The clips you just saw before was Ocean's birthday party.
Where?
Now that me just say, where?
No.
Was?
Yes.
The clips you just saw before were Ocean's birthday party. Had a really good time and stuff. I'm gonna insert a clip of my dress. Yeah, so that's a dress I wore. Really sexy, really slay. Well, today is Saturday, January 13th. I'm on my way to the dentist. You know, some I work for dentist for our kill fill up. Brother and sister.
I know.
So, go ahead. Improvements today. So, in order for me to put on braces, because when I was younger, I fell and I chipped the tooth at the front. So, I have to fill them out so that brackets can hold on them. Brackets, I iron something I'm going to say what people put on their teeth for your braces. You understand? So, I have to fill out my teeth. What is?
You have to fill out in teeth.
My teeth. I will fill them out so that the brackets can hold on them. To pull back my teeth, you see me? So I'm going to the dentist first, and then I'm going to the doctor. Guys, I don't know, 2017. 2017 was a serious year for me. You know, 2016, 2017. I was in a serious car accident in December. You know, could have lost my life, but thanks be to Jesus.
You know, serious accident, you lose your life, Melissa?
Of course. You never know. You never know, someone black out in my car. Yeah, so I did hit. I hit my ribs here. Now my breast affect me, so I forgot a doctor. Actually, I forgot a doctor. That's reserved for my husband. That's reserved for my husband. So, I have to go. Got a doctor to check out here. I did an X-ray before, but the X-ray said that nothing was wrong. I did the X-ray in Christmas. Christmas I had to go to the doctor because I was feeling so much pain. So I'm gonna go there and deal with that now. And stuff. I'm not even comb my ear. I just wake up and maybe.
You wake up looking like I don't know.
Maybe me go. I have school today, so school start back. So I'm gonna go to school on Saturdays. I have 2 classes on Saturdays, so I just go 2 times in a week. Yeah, done. Morning. Yeah, I just go 2 times in a week. So I have 2 classes on Saturdays from the morning till way in the evening. So I have to prepare for that. So that's basically a little update for everything we're going on now and stuff. So stay tuned to Skylife TV. Yo, what the them gang. Please remember to send me your questions for your Ask Melica show. For the Ask Melica show, where you ask a question and I answer. Hi guys. I have completed 3/4 of my day. Been to the doctors. Work on my teeth. I don't know if I act. I'm so excited. So my teeth them start out. You have to set to my braces, you know. You see the difference? I'll be smiling more. Yes guys, so I'm at Fairview now. I'm going to Body Studio Skincare. I'm going to get something for my skin. I have something for my skin I'm start out, so I'm gonna check to see if they have it. And then when I do that, I think I'll get something to eat and then head home. I'm so excited. I can't take it. Now I'm going to skin with teeth. Woo. So, yeah. So I'm going to start that out and head home. I'm so serious in Fugo Motel Punk. It's so serious. Can't tell you guys yet. Near so dark. And not sure if I'm prepared to the seriousness of it. You know? Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys. I'll show you guys my outfit. It's really cute. But I mean, I don't have nobody for the outfit of the day with me right now. So have a nice day, guys. Keep it up to Skylife TV. Okay, guys, I'm finished with Skincare and Body Studio. They don't have what I want at the moment. The lady have to get back to me because the boss is not there. I have to come back. My outfit is so cute, guys. I want you guys to see it. Yeah, so I have to come back. The lady's not there to give me my consultation. So, near so dark. Okay guys, so this is my outfit. Jeans top, blouse, jeans pants, my nude slippers, my favorite slippers. I already did everything. I can't take off the jacket, but now I like it with the jacket. Yep. I need to get some of the glass here in my room. So extra. Anyways, I just come in that people them place to do. Look for the mirror there. I'm on my way to Wendy's. So guys, I'm on my way to Wendy's. I did go get Sakura, but I eat Sakura a little bit too much. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some Wendy's right now. And stuff. Why me laugh? So my teeth may look fun. Anyways, guys, I'm going inside Wendy's now. So see you guys later. Water cool. Woo. Woo. Right, that's how you stay still now. The far in Gideon. Yeah, right, that's how you stay still. I don't know if it's me, but I love listening to the sound of the river running through the rocks and bathing. Sometimes I may drop asleep, so I drop asleep at night time. Me just go up on YouTube and type in it. The river flowing. That's how much I love it. Anyways, I'm going to bed.